Hey there! Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a new stitch, and it's this one. It's a single compressed stitch, and it has all, well, the texture is like little squares, and this is the front and this is the back, and this is what I want to show you, how you can crochet this stitch. It's a nice and rich texture stitch. So it's a one row repeat, so after row 1 we are crocheting row 2, and that's the row you have to complete for the rest of your crochet work. So let's get started. Okay, so I have a crochet hook of 4 millimeters and my yarn, it's a cotton yarn. And first we are making a slip stitch, and then we are making a multiples of 2 base chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'll make a little swatch over here. Now we are going to crochet single crochet 2 together. We are skipping the first stitch, and in the next stitch draw up a loop and leave it on your hook, and in the next stitch draw up a loop 2. So now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now you have a single crochet 2 together, chain 1, and then in the next 2 chains or stitches we are doing again a single crochet 2 together. So yarn, put your hook through your stitch, pull up a loop, to the next stitch draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook, chain 1. This is what you want to repeat for the rest of your row until you have 1 chain left. Don't forget the chain 1s between the single crochet 2 togethers, because they are important to continue your row 2, or else your work will be very crooked and you won't get this single compressed stitch. Okay, so I have 3 chains left. So in the next 2 chains make a single crochet 2 together. Don't forget about the chain 1. And in the last stitch make a single crochet. So this is row 1 and how it looks like. Now we're chaining 1, turning your work, and this chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch. So now we are doing a single crochet 2 together, but in the first stitch over here draw up a loop, and then in a chain 1 space of your previous row you're drawing up a loop again. So 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3, and then chain 1. And now for your next stitch here, draw up a loop, and in a chain 1 space over here draw up a loop again, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, chain 1. This is how you continue the rest of your row. So make a single crochet 2 together in that single crochet 2 together stitch of your previous row and in your chain 1 space. So this is why the chain 1 spaces are important, or you won't be able to make this stitch. Chain 1. Just continue this row. So it's a very simple, easy stitch to make. You get a very rich texture in your crochet work. Would be lovely for a blanket or a scarf, or maybe a pillowcase or a cardigan or whatsoever. Okay, so I made my last single crochet 2 together, chain 1, and in the last stitch over here, make sure you take both loops and then just make a single crochet. So I'll show you once more. This is the row you have to repeat for the rest of your crochet work. Chain 1, turn your work, in that first stitch draw up a loop, then a chain 1 space of your previous row, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops and chain 1. In the next 2 stitches, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, chain 1. Do this for the rest of your row, and then in the last stitch 1 single crochet. But don't forget the chain 1 between the last single crochet 2 together and the last single crochet. If you find it hard to see where your needle has to go through your crochet hook, then just do it like this. Just pull your work a little bit apart, and then you can see the 2 stitches where you need to draw up a loop. Chain 1, then that last stitch over here, make a single crochet, and this is how you make the single compress stitch. So here it is, the other one I made, and you can see the nice squares showing through your crochet work. So this is what I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them, and I hope to answer them as quickly as I can. If you have any other questions, maybe like a pattern you want to see on video, please feel free to ask them too, and I'll see if I can do something with it and make a video of it. And if you do not want to miss any of my new videos, subscribe to my channel. Put on a notification so you get a message when I have uploaded a new video. And for now, I just wish you all happy crocheting. Bye bye.